Hello YouTube. In this video I'm going to show you how to install flyme OS 4.5.3 based on Android 5.1.1 on your LG G2. This is XDA link for the ROM. You will get this link in the description below. And you need the other file, this file for soft key or the navbar for LG G2 because this ROM didn't have a soft key. After download these two files, copy to your LG and follow me. After download two files, and this file I downloaded here to internal storage. This is the two file, flyme OS 4.5.3 and symbol 1.2. We need to go to recovery mode, custom recovery from this application. It's named Quick Reboot. Press the Quick Reboot and press recovery. Now recovery comes up. You press wipe and advanced wipe. Make sure you select all of the square but clear internal storage because we have the two files in internal storage and all of that. Swipe the bottom successful. Back and press the home button. Press install now and level up a level, and go down to SD card. Select it and down below find flyme 4.5.3 and symbol 1.0.2. Press to flyme and swipe to confirm install. Take 5 minutes. After finish, swipe the button to unlock and go back, press back button and do it the same thing with file symbol 1.2 keys and swipe to confirm. After that, press wipe check and Dalvik, swipe back and do it again, swipe back, and now we need to reboot system. And there comes up flyme OS 4.5.3. Don't forget like a video and subscribe to watch a review ROM for flyme OS.